Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. We had that spike up above, our 7190 level, just shy of the 7309, coming back to rotation zone. Tried to rotate back up. It's having trouble above this 7,000 level. There's lots of selling pressure. When it does get through there, especially with the close, I'm expecting a pretty strong move. You can see holding the rotation zone. Key level we're watching on a closing basis is about 6,600 right now. If it closes below 6,600, I'll start watching for a bigger pullback. And again, close above 7,000 at least on the 4-hour time frame. Just showing you if you wanted to drop back your levels to here, you can see what's still really key besides this spike. And sometimes we will do this just to really gauge where we're going when you have a spike and then a quick drop back. So that just reinforces the 7,200 level. You see a cluster right there, two different retracement and again projection, and then above that we're looking at about 73.16 and 73.49. So those are the two key levels I'd be watching on a close above 7,000. So that's what we'll be watching, and then you can always come back up here and get your next levels. The next major cluster after 74.64 is 76.43, so 76.50. Coming over to the daily chart. Can see here all this price rejection from 7,000. I mean, we've tapped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 5 times. So if we do get above there, really pay attention to about the 72.85 level to 73.09. That's also where the declining 50-period exponential moving average is, and you have the spike high and that cluster there. So that's the key level to really focus on based off the daily chart. Looks like we might get finally the first cross the rotation zone, so key support on the daily is coming in about 6,600 to 6,620. Take a look at Ethereum. We had that spike up, also pulling back, catching on the rotation zone, really nice. So you can also, here's a nice teaching moment. So we had this ledge over here. Let me move this. So you had this ledge over here. So this is prior resistance. We broke through it, retested multiple times with support. So that's a great concept of support becoming resistance, and then combining it with the rotation zone. So you had support resistance with the rising rotation zone, very powerful signal. If you're looking to get long on those kind of things, you can keep your stop fairly tight just below the rotation zone and that prior resistance area, and then use it for a rotation back up. So that's something you can work on and test out yourself if you want to see how that works. Key levels, we're still getting some price rejection anytime above about 145. So I'm watching for a key close above 145. Then I'll start watching for 150 again. And then above 150, we're 153.85 and 157.20. Now, support right now is at that 140 level with the rising rotation zone. If we get a close below there, start watching for about 137.50. And then if we get a move below there, I'm coming all the way back down to this consolidation area, around the 132 level. Taking a look at the daily chart. Here we go. So we're finally, looks like we might get the close above the rotation zone finally. Yesterday was still in it. Really watch for today closes. Rotation zone sitting about 143. Let's see, let's get the exact number. Where is it? The 143.24. So 143.24, close above there, then we're above the rotation zone, and that takes us from bearish to neutral on the daily time frame. See here also this ledge, prior resistance, holding support. So this is a very key area to stay above. So that's what we have for you on Ethereum and Bitcoin. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.